Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rainbow sherbet ice cream. First, you'll need to select 3 different fruit purees such as raspberry, orange, and lime, along with sugar, milk, and heavy cream. Begin by preparing each fruit base individually, blending the fruit with sugar and a small amount of milk until perfectly smooth. This ensures a consistent texture and bright, distinct colors for your delicious treat. Get ready to create a vibrant dessert. For the perfect rainbow sherbet, you'll need about 1 cup of each fruit puree. Think vibrant raspberry, zesty orange, and tangy lime. Combine each puree with 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of milk, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. Then, gently fold in 1/2 cup of heavy cream into each mixture. This adds a delightful creaminess without making it too rich. Keep these bases very cold before moving to the next step. Now it's time for the magic. Churn each fruit mixture separately in your ice cream maker. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes per flavor until it resembles a thick, soft serve. Once churned, spoon alternating layers of each vibrant color into a standard 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. For that classic rainbow look, gently swirl the colors with a knife or skewer. This creates beautiful marbling throughout your sherbet. After layering, cover your beautiful sherbet with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface to prevent ice crystals. Freeze it for at least 4 hours or until firm. When you're ready to enjoy, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Serve this delightful, colorful treat in bowls or cones. It's a perfect, refreshing dessert that everyone will love, and it stores well for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.